Come take a look at this 2007 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. Carfax has certified the Sierra 2500 HD as having one owner. The Sierra 2500 HD has just under 77,000 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. The Sierra 2500 HD boasts a 6.0-liter engine and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the seat trim, Select Cloth, Standard, SLE1. Preferred equipment group includes standard equipment, seat adjuster, driver's 6-way power, not available with regular cab models. With retail orders, requires PCM, 3-SOP preferred package on extended and crew cab models. With fleet and government orders, PCM, 3-SOP preferred package is not required. Mirrors, outside heated power adjustable vertical camper manual folding and extension, black, emissions, federal requirements, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear, included with Poundal, Z71 off-road package, rear axle, 4.10 ratio, wheels, 4/16 inches x 6.5, 40.6 centimeters x 16.5 centimeters, 8 lug polished forged aluminum, tires, LT 245/75 R16E all-season, black wall, standard, includes 5 tires with E63, with a ZI pickup box. Includes 4 tires with ZW9, pickup box delete. Not available with Z71, off-road suspension package, steering wheel controls, trailering equipment, heavy-duty, suspension package, handling trailering, heavy-duty and the paint, solid, standard. Call 800-574-0279 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.